Hee hee.
Too much hair.
Hurry up.
Shush. They're just gonna make fun of me.
Okay.
Yay. Feels silly.
We should.
Do I look good?
No.
They're supposed to be fashionable.
I know. And then he slips on a rock. That'd be so, nothing.
I'm going. You ready?
Then I slipped in a rock.
See this?
No, I'm blind.
That's the air bubbles, I swear. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You ready? I'm going under. I'm gonna do it. Watch me.
You're gonna get your camera wet, stupid. Jacob! Well, thank you. I always wanted a stick.
This water tastes like piss.
Because you just peed in it.
That was the air bubble.
And then farted in it.
That was the air bubble. I swear.
Yeah, yeah.
You like your flower?
No. I dropped it.
You threw it back.
No,
Look,
I actually dropped it.
Oh. What the hell are you doing?
Recording.
I'll be able to hear it.
I didn't say you would be able to hear it. You said it was recording. Jakey's gay.
I don't want to fucking know what I look like in these things.
Gee!